Okay, what do you got? Whoa, careful. Try again. Good job. Wow. Good job. Who are you talking to, Mackie?
Yeah. Mackie, you want a map? I want up there.
You want to go up there? Look, he's coming out.
Yeah, you want a map? No. No, sorry. Up. The next day is up here.
You want to climb?